Welcome students. Today I am going in function chapter, our part 3. In the last two parts students, I explained you one of the reflexive relation, second symmetric relation, and third transitivity relation. If you all three relation valid in a particular functions, symmetric, reflexive and transitivity, then sure it is an equivalence relation. And that topic is also continued. Today I am going to our exercise 1.1, question number 6th question. Question is there, show that given relation R is a symmetric but neither reflexive, neither transitivity for particular R given in the 1, 2 and 2, 1 for the set 1, 2, 3. So very easy students. First I check reflexive. You know what is the reflexive rule? A relation A, then A comma A belongs to R. So same as you try your number in this 1, 2, 3. Any number you take. I take 1, relation 1, check. 1, 1 is belongs to R. No, it's not belongs to R. Another number take 2, 2. Yes, again not belongs to 3, 3. Not belongs to. Finally, all three cases utilize the set 1, 2, 3. They not belong to relations. So therefore, R had not a reflexive relation. Your first case easily done students. Now I am going to symmetric. Check. It is prove that symmetric. So I am going to our symmetric relation. What is the relation heading symmetric? Yes. If A relation B, then B relation A. First take necessary true. It means what is the true? 1, 2. So I take here 1 relation 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. True. So what is the 2 1? 2 comma 1 is also belongs to R. True. Check. I think students you think about why I am taking 1, 2 and 2, 1. Because it is true given. I am not check here 1, 3. 1, 3, next 2, 3, next 3, 1, next 3, 2. We not apply because first case, necessary you take true. Then after check true or not. So here only true value 1 to 2, 1. So I just write down after that. Therefore R had what? Yes. Symmetric relation. Now I am moving ahead to third one. Yes, third is checking to neither transitivity. So, transitive rule. What is transitive rule? If A relation B, B relation C, then A relation C. So, here I check into first and second. Necessary true. What is the true? 1, 2 and 2, 1. So, I check out 1 to 2. So 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Yes, true. Second, now 2 to 1. Other number we can't think about that because here 2, 3. We cannot write down according to question. Yes, so I just taking 2, 1. Check, belongs to R. That also true. Now, what is rule? A to B checking, B to C checking, then A to C. Here A to C means 1 to 1. So I just write down 1 relation 1. Belongs to R? No. This is not present in the R. It means this case does not exist. It means 1 not belong to R. Therefore, R have not transitive relation. And it's very easy explanation about that. Not reflexive but symmetric and not our transitivity rule. Now continue students, question number 7. Show that the relation R in the set A given by all the books in a library of a college. Yes, set given all the books in a library of a college, and relations are given x and y have same number of pages. So I check this relation. Both have x and y same number of pages and prove that it is an equivalence relation. Students, when equivalence relation? Yes, R have one of the reflexive, second symmetric, and third transitive value. Then I can say it is an equivalence relation. So very easy numerical, students. First of all, I check to side for reflexive. Yes, what is the rule? A to A must be AA belongs to R. Here I write down A and A have same number of pages. I then write down A to A, write down X to X. It is same applications. So here written X and X have same number of pages. It means, students, it is true, huh? X and X both the same. Therefore, R have what? Reflexive relation. Okay, first one. Now second, symmetric. Symmetric relation, what is rule? Yes, if A to B related, then B to A related. I here taking X and Y. So what is the X relation to Y? Check here. X and Y have both of the same number of pages. And second, if we X and Y have same number of pages, therefore I write down Y and X have also same number of pages. It means X to Y relation given true. So Y to X is also true. That means R have again which one? Symmetric relation. Students, here your second part done. Reflexive, symmetry. Now I going ahead to third one. Yes, transitivity. If your transitivity is also true, then I can say it is equivalence relation. So third case is our transitivity relation. So first of all, students, I just write down the relation for transitivity. If A relation B, B relation C, then A relation C. It's very simple. So start now first. X relation Y. Then after Y relation Z. And last checking X to Z. So X and Y here same written. X and Y have same number of pages. It is the first given. Next, Y to X. So Y and Z. Now Y to Z given have again same number of pages. It means X and Y same number of pages, Y and Z same number of pages. So can I say X and Y and Z again same number of pages. That means, students, I write down X and Z both have same number of pages. That's why here rule is valid. X to Y relation, Y to Z relation, and X to z relation have applied to x to z is true. So R have what? Transitive relation. Finally students, we did here, it is an equivalence relation because reflexive done, symmetric done and transitive done. Therefore R have, students, these are equivalence relation. Yes, here done easily to apply our this numerical and happily done. Now I am going to further question students. It is a 8th one. Now continue students, next one, question number 8. Previous 7 question ending. Now show that relation R is set of A 1 to 5 numbers. Prove that it is an equivalence relation. For particular condition A minus B is even. Then after proving, show that given element 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all the elements 2, 4 are also related to each other. The relation R. But both combined 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 is no elements are related to our R. Indirectly here students, 3 numerical given, big. First of all I explain you till up to equivalence. So when equivalence relation, yes, it have reflexive, symmetric and third transitivity value. Then we can say R have equivalence relation. So till up to first of all I explanation for our equivalence relations. So first of all I check reflexive. Reflexive rule, A relation A. Check. Here A minus B is even. So A minus A is equal to 0. Yes. It is even. You check what's the different number from this one. As you like. 1 relation 1, 2 relation 2, 3 relation 3, any one to taking the students. So 1 minus 1, same as check 0, 0, 0. Yes, it is even number. Finally, you did R have reflexive relation. Yes, students. This is the first easy and happily done. Now I move ahead to symmetric. Yes. Symmetric relation. What is the relation? If A relation B, then B relation A. So you check out here A minus B is even. In general I explain, not now number wise. Students here X relation Y. Definitely X minus Y is what? Is our checking to even number. So just you take minus carry forward outside. Y minus X is an even. So can I write modulus minus 1 separate and modulus Y minus X separate? Is even. So finally you here finished it. The value for continuity here it is 1 and here Y minus X is even. It means Y minus X is even done. So relation Y to X is a symmetric relation. Check X to Y is not and ending in the Y to X. And third one, transitivity. Transitive relation. Students, here also same as I explanation. First of all, rule. Yes, definitely right rule. A relation B, B relation C, then A relation C. Here I speak in general. X relation Y, then after Y relation Z. So here same explanations. X minus Y is even. Yes, next, y minus z is even. I just write down both of the summation. Yes, sum of both. So what you get? X minus y plus y minus x is even, because even number plus even number is equal to even number. So I just write down x minus y and y minus x is even. Students, here modulus I just remove from positive. X minus y minus x is also even. This cancel. It means here y minus z, students, sorry, my mistakes. So x minus z is even number. Finally, here done to third case, x to y, y to z and x to z. Therefore, x relation to z is also going to our transitive rule. Relation, transitivity. Finally, check reflexive done. Next, symmetric done. And transitivity. This part is done here. Therefore, R has which relation? Equivalence relation. Yes, here only half sum done, 1 and half sum. And now further I reading to similarly next one. Students, next reading to show that it is this part. Show that the element 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. It means I only explain now 1, 3, 5 related. This is a question. Now continue set our given to 1, 3, 5. Students, I just going to drawing wise first. Here 1, 3, 5. Relation 1, 3, 5. Check. 1, 1. 1, 3. 1, 5. And what is the relation R? Yes, A comma B. I just want A minus B is even. So, checking about to 1, 1. 1, 3. 1, 5. In this relation. A minus B. So I just write down 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 5, here 0, 2 and here 4, check, it is even, yes, it is even, here also, yes, it is even, and last, it is even. Finally, this line again will show that element of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other for relation R. So here I explanation to same as now 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Check it. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Similarly, you can further going here 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 5. Here 2, 0, 2. Similarly write down, yes, it is even, yes, it is even, yes. And one more drawing, here look, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5 is also our true for relativity. Apply that 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3 and 5 minus 5 is also even. Last mention same as this lines. To all are same result. Therefore, we are proving 1, 3, 5 is related to each other. Relation R. So last I mentioned here. Therefore, set 1, 3, 5. This statement right now are related to relation R. Here, this line is done. Now for the same checking to 2, 4. Same solution. But only an explanation to related our element 2, 4. Now this line I yes. Now for set 2, 4. Same explanation here 2, 4. Similarly 2, 4. Check down the arrows. All cases I just one by one check to relation R. What is the relation R here? A comma B, such that A minus B is even. So first of all 2, 2, 4, 4, 2 and 4, 4. Only 4 cases available. In this case all are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here only 4 cases. And all I checking one by one here. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 4, 4 minus 2 and 4 minus 4. Check. It is even. Yes. 0, 2, 2, 0. Yes, it is even. Same write down. Same write down. Same write down. It is finally this state I again write down. So set of element 2, 4. This statement is same are related. Same explanation to relation our R. It means here also you check down reflexive, transitivity, symmetry. It means equivalence. This also equivalence relation to 135. Now last line. But no element are related to 135 to any element with 24. So then I again explain into 135 and 24 corresponding relation R. So students, it is an ending part. So finally now going to our last cases. After that, set of A consider. It is 1, 3, 5. Set of B consider. It is 2, 4. And same doing here A, here B, 1, 3, 5. Here 2, 4. And check down. 1, 2 is checking for the related or A minus B is even. No. So relation R, A comma B, A minus B is even. This by checking. So I checking that 1, 2, 1 minus 2. It is 1. It is not even. Yes. It is odd number. Similarly, next checking 1, 4. Not even. Same as next I going to 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 5, 4. All I checking 3, 2, 3, 4. Next 5, 2 and last 5, 4. That are the final actions. So 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. And 5 minus 4, 1. All are not even. Not even, not even. So finally, this statement again I read. No element of 135 and the element 224 are not related to set R. It means they are not an equivalence relation. So last write down therefore set 135 and 24 both of the same applied are not related to relation R. Here our ending to this numerical students. It's a big part and big numerical for question number 8. Students, now question number 9 is an IMP numerical for board exam. This is IMP server. Show that each of the relation R in these two numericals for set A 0 to x2 less than or equal to 12 given, check it is equivalence relation for one case and second case. And also find out after that relation to equivalence set of all the elements related to 1 in each cases. It is an equivalence part that I explained after that. First of all, I prove up to equivalence relation the first one. So students, here given that our set A, what is set A? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And my first numerical is the relation R, A comma B, such that A minus B modulus is a multiple of 4. Checking same. First of all, I do reflexive, symmetry and transitivity. After that, I can show yes, it is an equivalence relation for this one. So it's very easy. Any number you check in the form of 0 to 12. Either in general, first of all, I am going to reflexive relation. What is reflexive? A relation A. Here apply A minus A is a multiple of 4. Yes. Is 0 to 0, no? Confirm. Yes. It is multiple of 4. I mean 4 into 0 is 0 to 0. Here you taking also in general 1 relation 1. Yes, multiple of 1. Either you take 2, 3, 4, 5, any. So in 2 also I just explain you. Yes, it is multiple of 4. Finally, R have reflexive relation. Yes, students, our first done. Now I move ahead to symmetric relation. What is the rule? Yes, rule is that if A relation B, then B relation A. So here you taking number from 0 to 12. Either in diagonal. I taking diagonal x relation y. X minus y is a multiple of 4. That's your question. Check. This is your app. It means here minus common carry outside. Y minus x is a multiple of 4. So can I write down? It is minus 1 separate and y minus x separate is the same multiple of 4. And minus 1 modulus is 1. So definitely y minus x in modulus is also multiple of 4. It means relation done. X, y to I take it true. So here also true. Y to x is a symmetric relation. Now, after that I am going to transitivity because reflexive done, symmetric done. Now transitivity. If you validate, then I can say it is your equivalence relation. So now next transitive. What is transitive relation? If A relation B, B relation C, then A relation C. So in general I am taking X relation Y. After that Y relation Z. So what is the X relation Y? Yes, modulus of X minus Y is a multiple of 4. Same as here. Y minus Z is a multiple of 4. Finally, both you added. So X minus Y plus Y minus Z modulus remover only positive number taken is a multiple of 4. Students, if you one number multiple of 4 plus second number is also multiple of 4, both addition definitely multiple of 4, and this y by 1 I just did it. X minus z is also multiple of 4. So check here done. A to B, B to C, A to C, X to Y, Y to Z. So I can say X relation Z is what? Transitive relation. So finally here R have equivalence relation. Yes, here our ending, our half sum. Now I check find the onset of the element 1 in each case to equivalence relation to our value for x minus y is a multiple of 4. It means it is an interval defined to according to your given values only particular one. So students, now in this from 0 to 12 I am going to element 1 only. So these are element 1 our domain and these are our codomain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So check x minus y is a multiple of 4. So here 1 minus 1 definitely multiple of 4. I explain you. Next 1 to 5 and next 1 to 9. Not other taking. Because my relation R is what? A comma B. A minus B is multiple of 4. Check. Which number is belonging to your answer? 1 1, 1 5 and 1 9. Other number you cannot take in because I want to multiple of 4. Check here. It is 1 minus 1, 0. Yes. It is multiple of 4. Same as here, check. 1 minus 5, 4. Yes, it is multiple of 4. And last of the 1 and 9. Here 1 minus 9. Other number you are taking 110. It is not multiple of 4. 111 also not. 112 also not. Only 3 data are available. Here are 8. Yes, it is multiple of 4. It means find the set of all elements related to 1 in case. So my final answer related to 1 element. It is an equivalence class. What is the answer? 1, 5 and 9. These are our final answer to equivalence class. And here students, this was some numerical over. Now I am going to second one. And second one also same explanations. This one part is done and one relation over to equivalence classes. It is a class apply to one finite. And here done to now second question after that. R is a comma B. Similarly, A is equal to B. So students, same explanation. First of all, reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. This is the second one. So first of all, reflexive. What is reflexive relation? A relation A. Check. A is equal to A because both is equal. A is taking any number, 0 to 12. So here A equal to A is true. Therefore, R have reflexive relation. Either students you taking to any number. Here from 0 to 0, either 1 to 1, either 2 to 2. They are same. Second, symmetric. What is symmetric rule? If A relation B, then B relation A. So you checking value A to B, either B to A. Either I checking X relation Y. X is equal to Y. Therefore, Y is equal to X. So Y relation X is what? Is true. So finally, here R have what? Symmetric relation. These are the same as. Now continue. After that, reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. What is transitive rule? If A relation B, B relation C, then A relation C. I take in general X relation Y. What is the application for a is equal to b? So I write down here x is equal to y. Next, y relation z. This application y is equal to z. So x is equal to y is equal to z. It means x is equal to z. It means x relation z is also saying to what? Transitivity. Transitive relation. Now after that, asking to find the set for all the elements related to 1 in each case, then I go to our interval form. There are equivalence classes. Students, this numerical same, only this drawing is changed. Because I want to set a same. Here I was set a 1. Here also same all examples 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 with all values. Here 1 to 1 relation only. Because my relation R is what? A comma B such that one A is equal to B. So when we are equal, 1 and 1 equal, other not. So here elements 1 related interval, I mean our interval equivalence classes. Either equivalence class is only one, and that are we finished to our last solutions. And finally students, this numerical is here done. Question number 9 is the IMP questions. Related first one of multiple of 4 is different answer coming to elements 1, 5, 9, and second one here only related to 1. So that's why you can use students only the interval class to equivalence is only 1. Yes students, here was this explanation done here in this part up to 9. Further explanation I explain you in the next part. Bye bye, see you.